It was very wonderful. I had a lot of fun talking with Love on stage and sharing some insight that I've had over the years of experiencing the film and television industry.
I quite enjoyed talking to the panelists and to the crowd, explaining how we got into farming, how you can make money from farming, and then how to get a supportive community to help you get into farming.
It's always nice to come back to Go Negosyo. My experience has been amazing because I see old friends and they're so important to me.
Napakadami ko rin natutunan mula sa aking mga co-panelists based from my observation na they were nodding, they were engaging. That for me is already fulfilling.
Nakita ko na marami nakikinig, may mga nagsusulat, which means as a teacher, parang kayo nagna-notes, so may napupulot sila dito. Kaya natuwa naman ako.
I love it kasi madami tayong natutulungan, madami na i-inspire ng mga tao at nakakapulot sila ng aral or motivation.
It's nice to be able to share my experience to them kasi alam ko na relatable siya and it's something na may matututunan sila. And sana nakatulong para mag-umpisa din sila ng sarili nilang content creation journey.
Medyo na-overwhelm po kasi hindi ko na-expect na ganito kadami yung mga mag-a-attend. Sobrang ganda po ng topics and even ako, marami ako natutunan.
Sobrang exciting. It's really nice to be a part of this event. Sobrang importante kasi siya. Ang daming talented na Filipinos na talagang magaling sa negosyo. So it's good na we have events like this.
Nung makita ko yung mga mukha ng mga senior citizen, nung bumaba ako sa stage na nakangiti, I love that for them.
Actually, sobrang hindi ko na-expect yung award na to na mabigay sa akin. I really want to inspire more OFW. Alam na alam ko na maraming OFW na pangarap magka-negosyo. Kung kaya ko, kaya din nila.
Ito po, actually po, nung umakyat po ako sa stage, hindi ko po malaman kung anong mararamdaman ko. So, doon pa lang po naiyak na ako. Sabi nga po ng partner ko, ito pong organization na to, binibigyan po kami ng mga OFW ng importansya. Yung maliit na story ko po, na pwedeng ma-share ko at ma-inspire ko yung mga kapwa ko na huwag matakot umuwi dito sa Pilipinas. Pwede din naman na yung kahit konting income o kahit konting ipon, lumago dito sa Pilipinas para sa pamilya nila, hindi na sila lalayo sa tabi ng pamilya nila habang nagninegosyo sila.
Thank you so much because you're giving so many people an opportunity to learn more, to grow more, and also give back more to the Philippine business and industry. Maraming salamat po, Sir Joey. I hope we have many more successful Go Negosyo conventions and events like this.
Hi Joey, it is amazing what you guys are doing here. Such an admirable passion, helping not just the OFWs but other communities to help spread the knowledge and spread the awareness on how to get into business.
So sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Go Negosyo, I just wish you well. Continue to inspire and equip people para nang sa ganon, dahil sa mga negosyo, lahat tayo lalago.
I am actually an awardee of Go Negosyo back in 2018. I'm one of the most inspiring Filipino entrepreneurs of 2018. And I'd like to thank Go Negosyo for being there in my journey, most especially when we were starting. Go Negosyo was a big help to me because I started as a young entrepreneur. Please continue doing what you're doing. Maraming salamat.
Again, maraming po salamat sa sakripisyo ninyo. It must not be easy to hold an event as big as this. So hopefully more to come and sana mas marami pang matulungan.
Thank you guys for all the effort. Alam ko, ang dami nyong events every year, 5 times a year, and iba-ibang tao yung natutulungan natin. I hope you guys are able to inspire more people to start their businesses. Kasi yun nga, lahat naman tayo, kayang gawin yun.
To the founder of Go Negosyo, I truly admire advocacy and what you are doing. I salute you and congratulations. More power to you.
Thank you so much for doing this and talagang sana tuloy-tuloy palagi. Alam kong super active ninyo and grabe ang dami nyo natutulungan to this.
Yes, oh my God, Sir Joey, thank you so much for the invite to this event. It's really my honor to be able to talk at this event kasi when I was starting out, it's one of the resources that I was looking at, may mga books of Go Negosyo, and I had that and I read through it. And so to be able to have this experience in giving and sharing what my learnings, talaga memorable experience and more power to you guys. Mas malaki pang events in the future.
Maraming salamat po sa mga magpagtulong and sa mga magnenegosyo pa lang. Keep doing that para sa ikaunlad ng ating bansa.
Sir Joey, thank you so much for the opportunity. Sobrang maraming tutulungan ng Go Negosyo, lalong-lalo na sa aming maliliit na negosyante dahil sa Go Negosyo, mas lalo kaming na-motivate and na-inspire na palakihin at tumulong sa iba.
Sir Joey, thank you so much po. At sana po marami po kayong matulungang OFW. Sana po hindi po matapos itong pagtutulong ninyo sa amin.